An unprecedented increase in deaths caused by alcohol, drugs, and suicide during the pandemic's first year. For years, deaths from those factors had been on the rise, but that number drastically increased in 2020. TV5's Raven Blue spoke with an expert to learn what's behind this increase and how to bring those numbers down.
I think, as we know, the pandemic has definitely contributed to an increased, substance use across the board.
A new report from the nonprofit organizations Trust for America's Health and Well-Being Trust shows the U.S. experienced the highest combined rate of deaths due to alcohol, drug, and suicide during the first year of the pandemic. And the Saginaw County Health Department is working to see how they can better improve the mental health of the community.
What we're hoping to really collect is additional data from our community around that specifically, so that we can kind of hone in a little bit more.
The deaths associated with alcohol, drugs, and suicide took the lives of more than 180,000 Americans in 2020, a 20% one-year increase. The report shows the rise in these deaths were heightened in part by mental health issues like anxiety, stress, and grief caused by the pandemic.
There's continues to be, unfortunately, a huge stigma around mental health. We really need to combat that mental health is health.
Christina Harrington, health officer for Saginaw County Health Department, says the agency is launching a community health assessment survey this month to better understand the health of the community and to create programs and services that are needed and wanted.
It's going to help us collect data, but also it's going to help prioritize where health improvement planning and our initiatives and strategies should be focused.
Trust for America's Health and Well-Being Trust reports in 2018 alcohol, drug, and suicide death accounted for more than 55,000 deaths per year. Raven Blue, WNEM TV5.
That report showed deaths spanned across ages, races, and ethnic groups, but young people and people of color were disproportionately harmed.
And now you're